get more open. I think the biggest change is, if you go back when we used to build these systems, some of the IT technology made them a bit monolithic. And that's why I say today, you talk about things like OSLC, you talk about the new types of interfaces. We would not even build a system today the way that we used in the past. And that's why all of our new systems are built much more modular, much more flexible, so it's easier to open to the customers.
And we're all moving to subscription models. We're
Right.
not paying the upfront fees, so it's a monthly fee. It's a monthly fee that people can get out of. I mean, maybe there's a term on it, 1, 2, 3 years, but it's a monthly fee.
I think that I'll make a couple comments and you guys can address this from a standards perspective. So one is there's lots of standards, right? And I'm sure you get hit with many standards and some of them overlapping, so which ones do I do? I would argue that information access informs that it can be readily understood are the most important things. It's like if you're going to communicate, collaborate with someone, you better speak the same language.
Yeah.
So in some form, in my view, there's some standard. There's a ton of standards that are overlapping and probably never implemented, but then, okay, so which ones do you support? And I think maybe what Mark's getting at is data needs to be free, or freely accessible in a way that you can understand it and not just have to go through the system to understand it. Because in the past, right, if you wanted data access directly to the database, that was fairly complex. That's gotten much easier. There's better capabilities in the APIs and others to get that data.
If